I'm using here Solidworks 2016. To open a new document, click here, then here Part, Assembly and Drawing. Part is to model a simple part, while assembly is for a combination of parts. Drawing is either for a part or for an assembly. Click the select part, click OK. Okay, this is the user interface what you get. We have the tools here, toolbars here. Now, what we do is we start with a sketch. Before that, for doing the sketch, we need to sketch it on a plane. Here we have front plane, top plane and right plane. Select any of the plane. Then go to sketch. Now it aligns to your view. Let's take a small example of taking a rectangle. Drawn a rectangle. Then press escape. Now you have the rectangle. But if you see, the lines edges are blue in color. And here if you see, it's shown as underdefined. That means it's not fixed. The dimensions can be modified. But what we need is a proper dimensioning. So for that, you can give dimensions. Go to here, so we have smart dimensions. Under that we have many options like horizontal dimension, vertical dimension. If you are clicking horizontal dimension, you can go only for horizontal. See. Better to go for smart dimension, so you can give the dimension anywhere you like. Okay. We can enter the dimension what you have to 400. That's the way of. If you want to change this dimension, double click, change it to 100 or 115. I think I want. But still, see, if it's blue in color, that means it's not defined here. It's underdefined. Either you need to draw a center line, then make this point, right click, select this point, the origin, and make constant. So now it's constant. This is one way. Another way is by giving again smart dimension. So this should be half of this. Here so we can give the equation of 150 by 2. Okay. Another way is here you write equal to this by 2. Okay, so automatically we get an equation here. So if you change to 200, so become 100. Change to 300 and 150. That's one way, and it's a good way. In some cases we may have. Okay. Similarly, you can give this dimension. Smart dimension, select this. Smart dimension, select this. I'll give it as equal to this by 2. Okay. it as equal to this dimension by 2. So we have given a relationship. So if I change this value 500 to become 250, or if you change here, so this is a good way. Then you here, this is the tool to exit the sketch. So now if you see here, it's black, 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 black. Now they are equally distributed. Now we have it is fully defined. Exit the sketch. So you can turn it by just holding down. Just a line, closed line. Now what you need to do is go to features, select extrude base. Select the object. See, it gave thickness. You can select this and drag it. 250, 200. Difficult to fix a point. Better you can give here. For that you have various options that we will see later. Here, since we don't have any relation, it will come to a point when we have other objects with reference to which we can do these things. So now better make it as blind and go to like 200. Okay, we have a draft. See, draft 20 degree. Have draft features. I'll switch it off. If you're making mid-plane, then it will be equally distributed. So if you want to, here also if you can use draft features, you have two directions, mid-plane, afterwards, or we have two directions. Blind itself. Now select this, then you can have two directions. It's 200 mm. I want to offset like 150 here this side, 50 this side. Can't. Here I want 25 degree draft, or no draft here. Just this side like 15 degree draft. Okay. So an object would get the solid. Should edit. Right click here, edit feature. I don't want this option. I don't want the draft. Okay. 150. Plane if I give. Okay. This is the extrude command. To measure, evaluate, measure, see. Yes, to this distance is 150 mm. Okay. Just mouse, you can zoom in and out. Click on the mouse button. Press Ctrl and pan. Okay, this. Delete. Yes. Now sketch domain, delete. Now that we have an object like this, you create another object. Now go to sketch. Now need to select the planes. Just go to sketch and select where. Okay, and go to sketch. Okay. So then here you can extrude. Now we have blind. Okay, 40, difficult to get. Yes, 40. Okay, 1 second. And draw here a sketch. Sketch. Okay, normal sketch. And drawing another part. See, circle extrude slot. Yeah. Okay. Now this one I will join here. Now we have extrude. Go here up to surface. Like this. Okay, now they join this single object.